So we learned how to make butter chicken. Basically all the ingredients are butter and chicken. Hello everyone, this is David Hoffman of Davidsbeenhere in Miami, Florida, my hometown. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite Indian dishes, butter chicken. I'm headed right now to Miami Beach to my friend's condo, Mike and Nelly from Making It Happen vlog. They make incredible videos on YouTube, lifestyle, travel, food. They are amazing people. They're from Austria. They moved here like over a year and a half ago. We linked up about a year ago. Mike says that he's gonna make me the best butter chicken in the world. I don't know about that because I've had some incredible butter chicken in Delhi. There's different ways to make butter chicken. Sometimes they use tomato sauce, sometimes they don't. I'm super excited to eat some butter chicken. Let's go make some butter chicken with Making It Happen vlog. That's awesome, dude.
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
What's going on? Good to see you, man.
I know.
Too long.
It's been way too long. How's everything good?
Good, yeah.
Where's Nelly?
She's at Whole Foods just getting some special ingredients we need.
Okay.
First off, amazing chicken. You need nice, organic, boneless thigh. That's what I like to use. Amazing spices from India. Unfortunately, they're from Whole Foods, they're not from India, but but amazing spices nonetheless. And a few vegetables, chilies.
And the bread?
This is garlic naan.
Garlic naan?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love
got up
it.
at 2 o'clock in the morning and I started making fresh garlic naan.
Just say, this guy's crazy.
Alright, there's one thing that I can't do in the apartment. That's getting a little bit of a char on the chicken thighs.
How's it going?
We're getting a nice char on this chicken. It's going to have a nice little caramelized burnt flavor in the butter chicken. It's going to be so good. And this is actually tenderizing the chicken so much. I'm getting excited.
I know, me too, man. In case you guys didn't know, this is Miami weather in summer. Don't ever come here June, July, August, especially the heat. But look at this. It just rains. We get more rain than Seattle.
Oh wow.
But because it just comes in a downpour.
Yeah. When it rains, it pours.
So we got rained out. Couldn't finish cooking outside. So we're here in their apartment. And what's the next step?
So now we're actually going to start off with the gravy, which means I'm going to put in butter, the fresh things that we have. We've got garlic, we've got ginger, we've got some chili, we've got some cilantro, we've got some onion. So I'm just going to saute this in the pot a little bit. I'm not going to brown it. I'm just going to make it a little bit soft, a little bit translucent. And once I've got that, I'm going to get in the chicken, the heavy cream, the spices. It's gonna be amazing.
I'm super hungry. Butter chicken, butter chicken.
We let all the spices dissolve. And basically now we're just doing the final tenderizing process of the chicken. And also to kind of get an emulsion going between the fattiness of the butter, the acidity of the spices. Still gonna get a little bit of lemon juice in there. And then just heat it through. And this should be amazing.
You're killing me, dude.
Why we want to go to India, it's just because it's so diverse. India is so diverse, and it doesn't matter if you're talking about culture, if you're talking about food, if you're talking about spices. There's just such an immense diversity that you have to experience for yourself one time in your life. And that's why I want to go there.
Oh yeah, that smells like India. You got an Indian feast?
I gotta tell you guys a secret. This is the first time I'm making butter chicken.
Dude, you told me it's the best butter chicken in the world.
We tricked you. Come and see us.
Yeah, right?
I think the best way to eat it is just to get like a healthy portion of rice. Then you got your butter chicken, and then you just take your naan and you grab some rice, you grab some butter chicken, and you just get it in there.
Okay. But the way I learned is you just go all out.
Alright.
Let's do it. Okay.
Alright.
Rice. The non-veg.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Woo. Maybe I got too much.
I don't think you got enough.
No, I know. You think a little more, But Nelly has to eat, right?
No, Nelly doesn't have to eat.
Okay.
Oops, sorry.
No, the smell is so amazing. Wow.
So I don't know if we got this on camera, but there's like a little surprise in this dish. There are 4 hearty pieces of habanero swimming in that dish around it somewhere. So if you get the habanero, you're gonna have a bad day.
Yeah, habanero is like one of the hottest ghost peppers in the world. It's 50 times a jalapeno.
Oh wow.
Yeah, your eyes just basically.
Yeah.
Oh, the garlic naan?
Yeah.
How many are there? Oh my god, it's a lot. So I'll take one.
Yeah.
This is the way they showed me how to do it. Basically, you just grab like enough so you can like go cover it. And you cover it. And you just go in.
I just wanted to.
You like it?
Dude, I love it. The best butter chicken in the world. The bread is infinite in India, like infinite. And then obviously the butter. And yeah, I mean, the protein aspect is a lot of it, but then you get way more of the lentils.
Because one thing we saw in all of your videos is the people are so friendly, so welcoming. And I get the feeling everybody's trying to, help you out with recommendations, showing you new stuff, explaining the food. It's so juicy, it's nice and flavorful. There's so many spices in there. Slight touch of acidity cutting through the richness of the butter and the heavy cream. It's so good. I love this dish. I mean, I've had butter chicken many times before, but just making it myself and seeing what actually goes into those dishes, it's so awesome. I'm gonna eat this every day.
I could too. So the way they told me to eat butter chicken in India or any dish when you have bread is you just go in, grab a big piece, as big as you think your mouth can handle, and you just Oh man, I'm in love with this dish, man.
Okay.
Can you be my chef? I want you to cook for me, man. The sauce is so rich. Get a little more sauce. Oh. It's hard because when you're in love with food, you just can't talk.
Exactly. Ooh. Oh my god. This smells amazing. Smoky flavor of the chicken is amazing. The buttery sauce is to die for. I can't. This is so good. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you, India.
Okay, so we learned how to make butter chicken. Basically, all the ingredients are butter and chicken. No, I congratulate you because this came out amazing.
Thank you.
Tastes
so much.
very similar to India. I mean, I close my eyes, eat it, and I'm in India.
I'm so happy.
And this guy and his girlfriend are going to India within the next 2 or 3 months. They're going straight to Mumbai and then jumping around after that. What are you most excited about India?
Food.
The food, obviously.
Food, no question.
Yeah, by the way, talking about the girlfriend, I'm here. I was just over there the whole time. So yeah, we are going to India for the food experience, mostly because we are foodies and we have foodie friends. So if you have any recommendations what we should try, comment below, and also if you know all the places where we should go, because we saw a few amazing places on your channel, David. If you have any recommendations where to go, or if you're available to show us around a little bit, we would love to meet you in person and just get the local experience. So yeah, see you in India next time. And
Namaste.
Namaste. And make sure to subscribe and leave us a comment, leave David a comment, do all the things.
Yeah, come over to making it happen. Come over to the dark side. I'll make some more Indian food.
All right, guys, I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Oh, the masala. I love masala.
I've got a clove.